This recipe is my great grandma's recipe. Yes, Akple and Fetri Toto. But then this particular one, it's a bit different from the one we usually know. This Akple, I'm going to be cooking it with gari instead of cassava dough. Some people cook the Akple without cassava dough or gari or anything. They just cook it with the corn flour like that, which is also, that's basically the main Akple. But then when you add cassava dough or something, they call it amodemi or wademi or something like that. So this is my grandmom's, my great grandmother's recipe. She passed recently though. She was around 121 years old. Yes. So, and I stayed with her around 2010, 2011 there. So she prepared this food for me. She usually prepared with vegetarians. It's like every day Akple. Yes. So she usually prepares this a lot. But then this time around, I'm adding gari. So, and I'm adding cold water. You're not supposed to add cold water to Akple when you're cooking it. But then because the Akple was too hard for me, I had to add water. And then when you add the water, when you mistakenly mix your Akple hard and you add the water, just let it sit and then cool. And just let it sit and cook and boil over for us. While it's boiling, let's get the remaining ingredients ready. Yes, as you can see, I'm putting the okra, pepper, onion, momone, and everything together. So at this time, the Akple is ready to now cook. So we can get to the next round. The main star for Fetri Toto. So yeah, at this point, the Akple is already soft. So we are just going to take it on fire. And then we're just going to wrap it in the plastic. So whilst you are wrapping it in the plastic, we can bring it down and then put the okra on fire for it to boil. Yes. So as I was saying, this is a traditional food, by the way, for the vegetarians. This traditional food, but everybody and how they go about, their way of cooking. We all have our own recipes. So yeah, this is my great grandmother's own. Very cheap. This whole thing costs around 25 cedis. That's around say $2 or $2.50. Yes. So at this point, I'm just going to grind the pepper, bring the okra is done. So I'm just going to pour it in a bowl whilst I grind the pepper and then add them bit by bit. But I have to put the beef. This is the tolo beef. I'm going to put it on fire for it to boil. I'm just going to add a little sliced onion, and then because it's already salty, I'm not going to add salt. I'm just going to cover it for it to boil with the onion. And I'm going to add, I bought fried fish. Yes, I bought fried fish. I'll be adding that one later. With the fried fish, you can either decide to add it to the meat and boil it together, or when you're done with the soup and everything, you can just add it to it. But I'm going to add it to the soup later anyway. So at this point, let's grind the pepper and then add the other ingredients. This is very nostalgic because whilst I was preparing this food, a whole lot of memories were just flashing, in my mind when I used to be with her, when she would always cook and then be yelling my name to come and eat because I would always go out, play, kids would always play. And then apparently she's the only grandparent that I had that actually loved me like the way a grandparent is supposed to love their grandchildren. Yes, I got that love from my great grandmom, and I'm happy that she didn't die early, right? She grew. She was so old, and even as she was old, if she was that old, she was so strong until she died at the age of 121. And I'm grateful for her right now. And all these memories coming back right now whilst I'm preparing this food. So the food is ready. The soup is ready. At this point, I'm just waiting for the fish and then the meat to get ready. So I just added to it. This is Fetri Toto, the cheapest Fetri Toto you'd ever see anywhere. And we are not going to add red oil. Most people add red oil, but then I have another one that I made. That was my mom's recipe. So you can check that one out on my page as well. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll be bringing you more videos on low budget food. So yeah, stick with me. Let's do this to the end. And at this point, this is ready. So I'm just going to add it to the grounded okra and pepper and everything. So this is it. It's done. Basically, this is what my great grandma would do. And then Akple is ready. And then you just have to eat and go about your games again. So at this point, she'll be calling me, making noise, screaming on top of her voice for me to come and eat. And then this is it. Akple and Fetri Toto. Great grandma's Akple and Fetri Toto. And then we are done. So give it a taste. Are you going to try this? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks. Bye.